Good morning, children. Today we are going to start prime factorization exercise 2C. This is not new thing for you. Perhaps you have studied also in lower classes also. So first of all, let us define prime factors. Factors I have already told you. These are divisors by which a number is divisible of a number which are prime numbers. Prime factors are those numbers which are prime and that can divide the given number. Such numbers are called prime factors. For example, factors of 6. You know, 1 is universal divisor, so 1, 2, 3 and 6. These numbers can divide 6 completely. Now we are required to write only prime factors. Prime factors are 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime factors. Prime. Those factors should be prime number. Secondly, prime number which are not divisible by any number except 1 and itself. So 2 and 3 are prime factors of 6. Similarly, you can write factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors means these numbers can divide 12 completely. Now we are required to write down the prime factors. So prime factors are only 2 and 3. So this is how you can define prime factors. Now come to the fact, what is prime factorization? Prime factorization. To express a number as the product of prime factors is called prime factorization. It means if you express the given number as a product of prime factors, then this representation is called prime factorization. For example, prime factorization of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Multiply this. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 3 the 36. Now review the characteristics of properties of the numbers. 2 is prime number, 3 is also prime number. So we have expressed 36 as product of prime factors. So this expression is called prime factorization. Similarly, you can write the prime factorization of 60. Multiply this. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 5 the 60. If you multiply these numbers, then the product will be 60. Now study the properties of these numbers. 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is also a prime number. So this expression represents the prime factorization of 60. Similarly, you can write the prime factorization of 75. 3 into 5 into 5. Multiply 3 5 the 15, 15 5 the 75. means the product of these numbers is 75. Now study the characteristics properties of these numbers. 3 is prime factor, 5 is also prime factor. So here all the prime factors are involved. So this expression represents the prime factorization of 75. Now let us start exercise 2C problem. Write prime factorization of the following. The question number 5 is 90. You have to write prime factorization of 90. First of all, divide the given number by prime numbers. You are supposed to start with 2. If the number is divisible by 2, I have already explained the divisibility rule, so those should be in your mind. 90 is divisible by 2, therefore 2 से डिवाइड करो. 2 45 2 जा 90 होता है. Now divide, this is not divisible by 2, let us come to divide it by 3. If you divide 45, then you get 15. Again 15 is divisible by 3. Divide 15 by 3, you get 5. You have to repeat this process till at the last you get a prime factor. If you have to repeat this process till you get a prime factor of the given number. So here 5 is divisible by either 1 or 5 itself. Therefore this is a prime number. Now write these numbers in the product form. So prime factorization of 90 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. The check of your answer is, the check of the answer is multiply these. 5 3 are 15, 15 3 are 45, 45 2 are 90. If you multiply the all factors, all factors involving in prime factorization, you get the number. So this is a check. In definition of prime factorization, I have told you that this representation, prime factorization, is unique one. What does you mean by this statement? Unique one? Unique one means you can't write this in other way. You can't get other prime factors anyway. If you write the prime factorization, you get the same digit 2 3 3 5. 2 3 5 means prime factorization of 90 will be involved only 3 types of prime factors, 2 3 and 5. Orders may be different. You can write 5 first, then 3, then 3, then 2. Order may be changed, but the involvement of prime factors will be same. So the representation of prime factorization is unique one. Now come to the next 7 question. देखो 252. This is divisible by 2. So first try by 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 6 जा 12. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 6 जा 12, 6 2 3 जा 6. Now this is divisible by 3. How you came to know? that this number is divisible by 3. Add the digits 6 and 3. If you add 6 and 3, you will get 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 63 is also divisible by 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are 3. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. Now 7 is a prime number and here our process stops. Now you can write here prime factorization of 252 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. If you multiply these numbers, you will get 252. Now observe the properties of the factors which are involved in prime factorization. 2 is a prime factor, 3 is also a prime number, 7 is also a prime number. Thus we observe that all these numbers are prime numbers. So this expression represents the prime factorization of 252. Now come to the question number 8. For 20, first of all, divide 420 2 2 jar 4, 2 1 jar 2, 0. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 1 jar 2, 0, 2 5 jar 10. Is it divisible by 3 or not? Add the digits 1 and 5. 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 105 is also divisible by 3. 3 are 9, 1, 3, 5 are 35. This will be divisible by 35. How we can say that this number is divisible by 35? This number ends with 5, and this is indivisibility rule, that if a number ends with 5 or 0, this is divisible by 5. So 5 7 are 35. Now this number is a prime number, so here our division process stops. Now you can write prime factorization. Prime factorization of 420 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. If you multiply this, you will get 420. 5 2 जा 10 होता है और 2 3 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 3 6, 2 6 जा 2 3 जा 6, 6 7 जा 42, 42 10 जा 420. So our answer is correct. This is answer. Now question number 10, 945. I have taken some bigger number. 945. First of all, test by which number this is divisible. So 2. First observe by 2. Yes, this number is ends with odd number. And what is divisibility rule by 2? The number should end 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. यानी इवन नंबर से एंड करना चाहिए. This is not divisible by 2. Now come to divisibility rule by 3. Add the number 5 or 4, 9, 9 or 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. If you divide this number by 3, you get 315. Again test whether it is divisible by 5 or 3 or not. 5 or 1, 6, 6 or 3, 9. This is divisible by 3. Therefore this number is also divisible by 3. Now if you divide this number by 3, you get 105. Again 105 is divisible by 3. 5 or 1, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. 3, if you divide 105 by 3, then you get 35. Now add the number 5 or 3, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So this is not divisible by 3. Therefore it is divisible by 5 because it ends with 5. Divide 35 by 5, you get 7. Now you can write the prime factorization of 945 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. If you multiply these numbers, then you will get 945. If the product is not 945, it means you have done some mistake. Check your solution. Now come to the question number 12. 1, 3, 2, 3. This is a larger number. First of all, check whether it is divisible by 2. This number ends with 3, which is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Now come to divisibility test by 3. Add the digits. 3, 2, 5, 5, 3, 8, 8, 1, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 3. If you divide this number by 3, you will get 4, 4, 1. Now come to test whether this is divisible by 3 or not. Add the digits. 1, 4, 5, 5, 4, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 3. If you divide this number by 3, you will get 147. Again test whether this is divisible by 3 or not. Add the digits. 7, 4, 11, 11 or 1, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 3. If you divide this number by 3, you will get 49. Now, test whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 9, 4, 13. 13 is 9, 4, 13 and 13 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also not divisible by 3. Now come to the 7. You know 49 lies in the table of 7. So 7 7s are 49. And now you can write the prime factorization of 1323. Now you have observed that how divisibility rules are important for us. For this situation, I have explained you the divisibility rule. So by anyhow, keep all those rules: divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 4, divisibility by 6, divisibility by 8, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 10. These are the common numbers where we often need whether the given number is divisible by these numbers or not. Otherwise, if you don't know, you have to test by dividing this number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it will take a long time. So divisibility rules are very important for you, and you must always be in contact of those rules. I have done many problem of exercise to see. Some of them I have left for you. So you will complete exercise to see. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.